Hi friends, our today's topic is about MIPS. MIPS are required to reach critical places where the working places are hard to reach. MIPS are specially designed to lift people to a position where they can carry out work from the work platform. MIPS are convenient and safe, reducing time spent on risk assessments and setting up equipment, such as scaffolding on site. They require less staff to operate them, saving on labor cost, and are flexible and easy to move mid-job. But still there is risk while using it. To avoid accidents while using the MIPS, let us see what precautions we can take before, during and after use. Most of accidents with mobile elevated platform are due to lack of correct and competent training in the safe use. It always advised that users of MIPS to undergo for competent training and obtain certificate by approved training agency. Read the manufacturer's operating manual. The machine operating manual always available in the platform. If it is not there, please escalate to concerned person. An emergency escalation chart to be displayed in the platform always. Check the work area prior to use the MIPS. Those are include to ground conditions, obstacles, drains and manholes, bystanders and weather conditions. Prior to use the MIPS, inspect the MIPS that machine's last inspection date, fluid levels, wheels and tires, visible damages, missing or loose parts of the MIPS. If you find any abnormal, report and don't use till it rectified. So you need to conduct pre-use checklist. Check and follow method statement and risk assessment, whether all functions are correct and in control. The MIPS driving and operating functions. Angle indicator or tilt alarm. Drive speed control automatically when it is elevated. Emergency functions and third-party inspection sticker. Personal protective equipments. PPE must be used based on the risk mentioned in the assessment. A full body safety harness with adjustable lanyard. Safety footwear, helmet and suitable work clothing. During work, check ground conditions, obstacles, drains, bystanders, current weather conditions, weather forecast. After work, park the aerial platform in a safe and designated place. Press emergency stop button. Remove the key and hand over to superior. Refuel or recharge according to the machine. Check the battery water level if it is not self-maintained, and use PPE while checking. If you see any technical fault, stop operating and escalate to concerned person. If you see oil leakage of the MIPS, stop operating. Don't move the MIPS. Try to contain the leakage. Barricade the contaminated area of MIP and escalate. Things to avoid: overreaching the platform, throwing down the tools from platform, overconfidence of operator, Thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe to see more videos. Share if it is useful to your friend.